All right, y'all, just got back from picking up my part 2. About to clean it out real quick because but you see my new stand? Oh, I'm super excited. And guess how much I paid for the set? It was $40. I think it was $40, and they marked it down with like 25% off. So I think the total that I paid was 20 and some change. So with the tax and everything, it came out to I think like $29, $28. So 2 stands for 15 bucks a piece. Can you believe this? $15 a piece. Now, it is missing the shelves in here. You see the shelves? I'm not going to move the camera because I want you to be able to see everything. But it does have the pegs. So eventually what I'm going to do is measure from here to here and go get wood shelving, you know, made at Home Depot. But for right now, it's going to serve its purpose of what I'm going to be utilizing it for, and that's just to store my dishes and stuff. I just got out the I just got out the jacuzzi, took a shower, put my powder in there, you know. Now I'm sweating. I'm about to go back home. I'm going to Jersey Mike's first to get me a hoagie. And there you go. I got it in, y'all. Woo, I'm super excited. I'm super excited. Ooh, don't worry about how I look because it's hot. But, so, I got it in. Hope y'all can see it because I don't have any flash. I got it in. Look at that. It's got the 2 drawers. It got the cabinets down here. 2 drawers. Then it's got like a little inlay inside here where my hand is. Store stuff there. And then this is what I was saying. It has the pegs. I guess it had glass up here for shelving, but that is missing right now. But that's all good because I could put bigger bags. You know, the bags I'll be showing y'all all the time from the Dollar Tree. I have stuff at home that's already ready to get in here. And then if you can see the one in the back, that has like the secretary hutch. And I haven't put anything in the drawers because my whole purpose was today, as I said earlier this morning, was to put the shelving unit that I found out in the garbage driving through my neighborhood. So I got all my Christmas stuff, everything's lined up, all my DIYs with my Christmas balls that I hauled for like, I think 50 cents at Walmart when they had the 75% off Christmas. See, I got some room down in there. But I'm about to go on in because I done got hot. And that's the box that my jacuzzi came in. So when I come back over here to work on it, all I have to do now is just slide this box out and then I'm, you know, able to work on my stuff. See y'all later.